Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Samsung Galaxy A20s. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store. Inside find app called Notify Buddy. Install it. Then when it's ready you can open a browser, go to the next step and grant 2 permissions. Last right here is battery optimization, and I would leave it as it is and proceed to the next step. Now we can start using a browser, the app, and we have 4 different tabs: User, System, Active and Settings. In User you can select any apps and allow them for a custom LED lamp notifications. In System there's all system bound apps. In Active we can see all apps that we've just activated, and in the settings we can customize our LED lamp with different light, the color, shape or placement on a screen. Now let's click on the test button, and right here we can see the LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.